Okay, let's go over the homework of 0.5. I'm going to do a few here, and we're not going to start anything new today. You guys are going to do the review sheet for Wednesday, the review in the course packet on for test 1, and we will have test on Friday, our very first test. So yes, let's look at a few problems here on I'm not going to do them all. Let's start on 0.5, number say 21. I will be posting this on Angel as soon as I get to campus. 15x squared minus 6 minus negative 8x cubed minus 14x squared minus 17. We have to note that this is a subtraction and not a multiplication. So all we have to do is remove all the parentheses. So this is really a negative 1 that I'm going to distribute into that parenthesis. So all the signs within the parentheses are going to change. 14x squared minus 17. And now I'm ready to put my like terms together, which is going to be 8x cubed, always the highest degree first. Then 15 plus 14 gives me 29, a positive 29x squared. And a negative 6, that should be a positive 17, right? Negative 6, positive 17 gives me a positive 11. So that's number 21. 22 is pretty much the same thing. Let's jump to number 25. You will find the whole answer key as soon as I get to campus. That's where I will have to scan it. Negative 3x times negative x times 3x minus 7. So this gives me a positive 3x squared times 3x minus 7, and now I'm just going to distribute 9x cubed minus 21x squared. I first had to take care of these two, multiply them to get 3x squared. Alright, let's move on to the binomial times binomial. Let's jump to number 29. 29, 3x minus 5 times 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. So we're just going to simply distribute, FOIL it out. That's 6x squared plus 3x minus 10x minus 5. So my final answer here is 6x squared, negative 7x, and a negative 5. 31 has two terms with 3 terms. Alright, let's do 31 here. We have x squared plus 2x times x squared plus x minus 3. Alright, as I told you, you can distribute, FOIL it out, but it is so much easier if we do it this way. Let's do this in red. This is my first x squared and times x squared plus x minus 3 plus 2x times x squared plus x minus 3. So what we have in red here is really the first parentheses, right? X plus 2x is my first parentheses. Now I'm just going to simply distribute everything. So this gives me x to the 4th plus x to the 3rd minus 3x squared. And now I'm going to distribute. That's that distribution, and now we're going to do this one, plus 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 6x. Putting my like terms together gives me a final answer of x to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus x squared minus 6x. Alright, that's number 31, and that's what we would do even if we have 3 terms multiplied by 3 terms, like number 33. I'll give you the answer for number 33, and you guys can check and see if you can do that the same way. Minus x cubed minus 12x squared minus 19x minus 5. That would be the final answer for number 33. So go ahead and see if you can get that. Now let's get to the special functions, the special products. Alright, number 35, x plus 5 times x minus 5. And as I said, you guys can just simply FOIL it out, or you can know it's really going to be x squared minus 25. The outer and the inner gives me my middle term. So if you would multiply these two and these two, it's negative 5x. Positive 5x gives me my middle term. This is going to be 0 in the middle. Alright. When we have number 37, it's a binomial squared. You can go by, you can really, write it twice. Do not change the signs. Write it twice and FOIL it out. X squared plus 12x plus 36. The middle term will always be 2 times the first time, this times the second. So number 39, similar one. 2x minus 5y squared. Let's just write down the answer so that you guys can go check it. It's going to be 4x squared minus 10xy minus 10xy plus 25y squared. So this gives me the final answer. There you go. Number 41 is an interesting one. So let's do that one. Parentheses x minus 3, or bracket and parentheses, plus y everything squared. Now I would suggest we do it this way. Let's just get rid of that parentheses there and just say x minus 3 plus y times x minus 3 plus y again, and that's 3 terms by 3 terms, right? And that's when we do x times x minus 3 plus y minus 3 times x minus 3 plus y times x minus 3 plus y. Again, let's do this in red. This is x minus 3 plus y, which is really x minus 3 plus y. Right? And now we're going to FOIL that out. And this would give me x squared minus 3x 3x plus xy minus 3x plus 9 minus 3y plus xy minus 3y plus y squared. Final answer, x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 2xy minus 6y plus y squared. That's a mouthful. Alright, let's go to the number 43. X plus 1 cubed. Now this is where we use the formula. I'm going to write the formula down here in red. A plus b cubed. The formula is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. And now I'm going to do it. The a is replaced with an x and the b is replaced with a 1. Alright, so we have x cubed oh man, I'm having trouble to write with this thing. X cubed, there you go, plus 3 x squared times 1 plus 3 x times 1 squared plus 1 cubed. So my final answer there will be x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Let's do one more of those and then let's see number 45. This time I'm going to write the formula first. Let's do that in red. That's a minus b cubed is a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. So the question is 2x minus y, 2x minus y cubed. This time I'm going to replace the a with a 2x and the b with a y. So we have 2x cubed minus 3 times 2x squared times y plus 3 times 2x times y squared minus y cubed. When we multiply that all, 2 cubed is 8x cubed. 4 times 3 is minus 12x squared y. 4 times 3 is plus 12 x and y squared minus y cubed. Final answer. I just would like to do number 55 because people tend to want to multiply that one. So 55 looks like this. 4x cubed plus 6 plus 6x squared minus 8x minus 11. This is a plus sign, so we're not multiplying anything. We're just getting rid of the parentheses, and since this is a plus sign, it's so easy, we don't need to change signs at all, and then just write this in standard form from the highest to the lowest degree. Negative 11 plus 6 gives me a negative 5. There you go. And that's the whole chapter 0.5. Homework would be do the review sheet for test 1, and that review sheet is in the course packet. We will be doing review on Wednesday and test will be Friday. Let's write that down. And I will see you guys Wednesday. stay safe and stay warm.